Hello dear students, good morning. I hope you all are well and staying at your home. You are in a science period, so let me welcome each one of you in this class. Okay, you can see here I have written chapter 6 life process. This is our new chapter, or we are starting new chapter because we have already completed and revised chapter 6. So today's new topic or new chapter is life process. You can find the topic or the life process in a book page number 57, or you can turn a book page number 58 because there is our topic life process written in a detailed way. Okay, before starting our class, I want to say that if you can, please take a copy and make a note which I have written in whiteboard. You have to write in a copy. This will help you to understand the topics or our class very clearly. Here I have written the definition of life process. I'll read it, okay? The process which living things perform and keeps them alive and makes different from non-living things are called life process. Okay, after reading this, we get to know that those process or those activities which living things performs in their day-to-day life. This sentence is telling us that only the living things that performs, right? लिभिङ थिङ्सले मात्रै पर्फर्म गर्न सक्ने, नन लिभिङ थिङ्सले पर्फर्म गर्न नसक्ने एक्टिभिटिजलाई चाहिँ we call life process, and life process helps living things to keep them alive or to live and makes them different from non-living things. Life process ले चाहिँ living things र non-living things को difference between चाहिँ छुटाउने काम गर्दछ. Now after reading life process, let's move to what are the life process performed by the living things. Here I have written number 1, nutrition, respiration, growth, field, reproduction, movement and internal transport. Here nutrition refers to taking food inside or taking food or eating food and taking out energy which helps us to move, walk or do other activities. Here respiration refers to the act of breathing or taking in oxygen and taking out carbon dioxide. Here growth means increasing in shape and size of living things. We all know that all the living things first when they reproduce or when they appear in this earth, they are so small, and day after day they increase their size and shape, which is known as growth of the living things. And next one is field. Field refers to a responding or the process or the act of showing response to the changes in the environment is known as response. And fifth number, there is a reproduction. Reproduction means giving birth to the younger one to continue the generation. Is movement. Here movement refers to a locomotion or moving from one place to another in search of food, shelter, or nowadays movement is done in search of other necessary things like job, education, etc. as well. We will read in details in our further classes. Now, seventh, there is excretion. Excretion means removing or throwing unwanted wastage from our body or from the body of living things. And internal transport. Here, internal transport refers to a transportation of water, glucose, oxygen in different parts of our body or different parts of the living thing. This is all about the life process. We will read in details about the different types of life process in our further classes. We just get some ideas regarding this nutrition, respiration, growth, field, reproduction, movement, excretion and internal transportation. You need to memorize or you need to know what are the different life process which is performed by living things. And this is all for today. If you have any confusion, please ask me in a Zoom class. It's all for today. Stay at your home, stay safe, stay blessed.